Wake up in the morning, see the sun rise. Hope in my heart, fire in my eyes. Road may be rough and the mountain high, still I know Jah never leave my side. Empty pockets can't stop a dream. Life is never always what it seems. One small step every single day. Faith and courage always lead the way. Hold on, don't you let go. Even when the cold wind blow, your blessing coming, take your time. Every season have a climb. Rise again, never give in. Light is waiting where you've been. Stand up strong, don't lose your way. Jah will guide you every day. Lift your head and don't lose faith. Love and hope will pave the way. Rise again, let your spirit sing. Tomorrow brings a better thing. Every scar become a story told. Every trial make your spirit bold. Don't compare your road to another man. Your victory come just as Jah plan. Plant a seed and watch it grow. Trust the journey, nice and slow. Rain may fall, but flowers bloom. Morning light will chase the gloom. Whoa! One love, one heart, keep moving on. Darkest night before the dawn. No matter how the battle feels, Jah can always make you heal. Open your heart, let kindness flow. Share your blessings everywhere you go. The world needs hope, the world needs peace. Let your light never rise again. Never give in. Strength is living deep within. Keep believing, keep the fight. Jah will always be your light. Every mountain you will climb, everything will come in time. Rise again, your soul is free. The best of you is yet to be. Oh, 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 oh. Hey! Give thanks for life, give thanks today. Hey, yeah. Give thanks for life, give thanks today. Every breath is a gift, so pray. Keep your heart forever strong. One day you'll sing your victory song. Rise again.